over there? You want to go with the taste?
Yeah.
That's it. So the conductive one. And it goes is attached with a specific one.
Yes, you said it was upgraded to otherwise. Do you remember this is what you
It's mushrooms. But this one is
I think gluten-free is pretty common nowadays.
Looks like regular bread. Were you recording? Sorry.
You're just smelling it?
I was curious.
First Hermes, I got this as a birthday gift from Ryan, and we got it at the San Francisco International Airport. Let me show you what I got. Small little box. I got this bracelet. I believe this bracelet is called the Hoppy bracelet, and it double wraps like that. I originally was looking at the Mini Kelly bracelet, but it didn't look as good on my wrist. It looked a bit clunky, so I tried this one on and I really liked it. It's daintier, which fits me better. And I also like the fact that this one you can wear it two ways. So this side is a beautiful pink color, and I thought this pink color would be great to match my outfits in the summer. And during the fall and winter time, you can use it the other way. In the video, it comes out like a brown, dark brown color, but in real life, it's closer to a dark purple or a dark maroon color. Got some things delivered. I ordered some stuff, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. First is from Adidas, and I finally gave in and got some real running shoes or gym shoes. So I got the Ultra Boost, and they're in this very pale pink color. I really like this pop of color, matches my nails. So I've been just wearing Allbirds the whole time because I don't really run. Even if I go to the gym, I don't run. I do fast walking or the elliptical. But Ryan has been raving about Ultra Boosts for years now. He has multiple pairs, like 3 or 4 pairs already. And he said they're the most comfortable shoes ever, even for just walking. So I finally gave in and got them. So hopefully they fit well and they're comfortable. They fit really well and they're really comfortable. I don't know if I like the look that it makes your feet look really big and chunky, but for comfort, I think I need these for the gym. I also ordered this other thing from Matches Fashion. I've been eyeing this and it went on sale. So I ordered it. Hopefully it fits me okay. And it's a trench coat from Weekend Maxmara. Oh, there you go. So it's like that inside. And what I also like about this trench coat is that the back is a different material from this material. I don't know if you can tell, but it's slightly different. Here it is. It's a tad bit big, like the sleeves are a little long, but overall I think it looks pretty nice. And once I put the belt on, it cinches in, so it looks better. There's pockets. I'm really short, so it is a little long on me. I think when the model wore it in the pictures, it came up like right here, but for me it's all the way down to my ankles almost. I don't know if you can tell, but this material is slightly different than this material. Yeah, I think I like it. We'll probably keep it. It was on sale too, so it was a really good buy. And I've been wanting a nicer trench coat, so I've been looking at different brands and really like this one. Today I'm making burgers, but naked burgers. These are the patties, so I'm gonna put some cheese on now. Put the lid on so the cheese can melt. For our naked burger today, I have some grilled mushrooms, grilled onion, and avocado, some pea shoots, and little radishes. This is our dinner. There's burger patties underneath,
Yummy.
cheese, grilled onions, and grilled mushrooms.
나 이런 거 너무 오랜만이야. 떨려.
나 거의
이런-
Okay.
Today's dinner, I will be making rice, pot rice, with some bean sprouts and ground beef. So the ground beef, I've marinated it for about 10-15 minutes, just in rice wine, salt and pepper, and a little bit of soy sauce. And you can't see it, but down below there's rice, bean sprouts, and then my beef. I also added a few dried kelp for better flavor. Here I'm making sundubu jjigae, which is soft tofu soup with beef. So I have beef in there, and I just added my tofu and let it boil. Dinner served. Sundubu, broccoli, and rice. Pot rice with bean sprouts and beef.
Further. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
How did you like the IMAX experience?
It's big.
It's a really big screen.
Yeah, that's good.
It's Halloween flowers, candy corn flowers. A bit cloudy today, but it's really nice weather with the wind. It's a super nice day, so we came out for a walk and got boba.